Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of a creator tool showdown, Stand Store and Beacons.ai. If you are a creator, a coach, a digital seller, or someone who wants to monetize your audience in the fastest and most efficient way possible, these two platforms have probably been on your radar. Let's talk about the main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and a balanced conclusion on which is better in 2025. Stand Store is built specifically for creators who want to sell digital products, book coaching calls, run subscriptions, or offer mini courses, all from a simple mobile-friendly storefront. Think of it as a sales machine designed for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube creators who want to turn their bio link into a full revenue engine. It's extremely simple, fast to set up, and totally optimized for converting your followers into buyers. Everything in Stand revolves around helping you sell more. Things like one-click upsells, streamlined checkout flows, automated email follow-ups, and product templates are all tailored to maximize conversions. Whether you're selling PDFs, services, templates, or coaching, Stand tries to handle the payment, the delivery, and scheduling all in one place. On the other hand, Beacons.ai started as a link in bio tool but evolved into an all-in-one creator hub. Instead of focusing only on selling, Beacons gives you a full suite of tools: a customizable bio page, a creator store, email marketing, analytics, contact forms, and even a media kit for brand collaborations. Beacons appeals to creators who want beautiful, flexible homepage for their online presence, while also having the ability to sell digital products whenever needed. Now, let us talk about the main features of each of these platforms. We start with Stand Store. While showing the website, you would also take note that they have a friendly interface. The mobile-friendly storefront built specifically for social media is a great one. One-click upsells that increase your average order value instantly. And there's also integrated checkout that doesn't require external tools. You can also sell digital products, templates, courses, coaching calls, and subscriptions. There's also an inbuilt booking and calendar integration system for selling coaching sessions. And you can also partner with them. What you get as a Stand partner is you will unlock exclusive perks designed to help you thrive. You access new features, tools, and there are great opportunities for collaboration and personalized support. They also have a simple email automations to follow up with customers automatically. And the zero-code interfaces helps you create products in minutes. How about Beacons? Highly customizable link in bio page with drag and drop blocks. There's also a creator store for digital products, services, and merchandise. And there are email marketing tools that are built directly into the dashboard. Brand deal features like the media kits, which is a big plus for influencers. And there's advanced design customization for creators that want a branded bio page. You also have analytics tools for tracking clicks, conversions, and audience behavior. And last but not the least, there are contact forms that helps with brand collaborations. Beacons gives you a much more designed, aesthetic, flexible page while offering a broader tool set than Stan. Let us talk about the pricing. Well, you may not readily find the pricing clearly stated on the platforms. For example, you can find it on Stan unless you create an account or you are logged in. But it's believed that there are two different plans. There's a creator plan and there's the creator pro plan. Of course, the creator plan is lower in monthly range, while the creator pro plan has higher fees. And for Beacons, it's clearly stated on the website. There's the free plan, which is forever free. There's a creator plan, which is currently slashed to $8.33 per month. There's a creator plus plan at $25 per month and a creator max plan at $75 per month. If you decide to do the annual subscription, you get 2 months free. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? First, the pros. For Stand Store, it's very easy to set up. One-click upsells are built in. It has high converting checkout flows and is great for coaches, digital sellers, and service providers. And the pros of Beacons.ai? It has a free plan for beginners and has beautiful customizable bio pages. It also includes email tools, media kits, forms, and lots more. How about the cons? For Stand Store, there is no forever free plan like Beacons.ai and has limited design customization. And the cons of Beacon? The transaction fees occur on lower tiers. And to get more advanced features, you need to go for the higher plans. So, which is the best option in 2025? Well, here's the breakdown. If you are a creator with a primary goal of selling, especially digital products, coaching calls, templates, and online services, then Stand Store is the best option for you because it is laser focused on making you money. The checkout flow converts extremely well, the upsells boost your revenue, and everything is built around reducing friction. If your income depends on smooth sales, Stand is worth the investment. But of course, if you are a creator and you want multiple purpose hub, not just a storefront, but someone who needs a customizable link in bio, a media kit, email tools, forms, and branding options, then Beacons.ai will be the better fit. It's more flexible, it's more customizable, and it's perfect for influencers and content creators who need more than just a store. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Gumroad, Koji, and Podia. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.